Does this hurt?
No.
Doing this? No?
Just a little.
Just a little. Okay, great.
Yeah.
So you might be wondering why I'm sticking a needle in my foot and in this nice lady's foot. Well, the reason why is because of the bladder. For whatever reason, sticking a needle near the tibial nerve is really helpful in calming the bladder down. Here's a little bit of an explanation. Electrical impulses go up the tibial nerve to the sacral nerves. These are responsible for pelvic floor function and urinating. Stimulating the sacral nerves calms down the overactive bladder, and this leads to less urgency, frequency, and urge incontinence. Now, a lot of patients, they always tell me, oh, this seems a lot like acupuncture. And it sort of is. So I asked my acupuncture colleague, Irene, who practices acupuncture up in New York, what she thought about this point. And this is what she says.
So here's my leg, and the name of this acupressure point is called Fu Liu, which translates to return currents. And you return the currents of your urine, which also means it controls your urine. To locate this point, find the highest protrusion of your inner ankle, which is also known as your medial malleolus. And then you locate the edge of the ankle, and halfway in between, and you place your 3 fingers, your index, your middle, and your ring. And that's the point. So what you can do is you can massage this point clockwise 10 times. 2, 3, 4. And counterclockwise 10 times during the start and the end of your day.
Be sure to check out her YouTube channel as well for some great tips. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comments section below.